Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to day 47 of Run Your Year 2021 and also day 16 of our 22-day challenge to flatten our stomach. So just got in, literally just landed, finished our run, and so now we're going to knock out the exercise. And let me back up. First of all, let me welcome all of our new viewers and subscribers to the channel, where we post every day. Where this channel is about supporting, about helping, and about motivating and inspiring people to get up and move their bodies. So yesterday we were in Albuquerque and it was cold yesterday, but we're back home in Hawaii now. So today what we're going to do is we're doing the static with the dynamic. So it's the hollow out along with the hollow out and the rock exercise there. So again, and yesterday I know I said 5 sets. It's actually 5 reps at 20 seconds per rep for 3 sets. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to do a total of 10. We'll do a couple of them with you, and then we're going to let you guys go, and you can do them on your own. Okay, so with that, we'll get started. We have our assistant there, Krista, and she has the timer. So we'll start with the hollow out first, right? So we'll do 20 seconds. All right. So, all right. So we'll do 20 seconds of the hollow out. And you ready?
I think so.
And begin. Again, just hollow out, squeeze. You can leave your feet on the ground if you need. Leave your feet on the ground.
Oh.
There you go, hollow out. There you go. There you go. Breathe through it. Breathe through it. All right, looking good. Breathe through it. You did set the timer, right? I have a feeling you did set the timer.
Okay, stop.
All right, that's probably about 3 sets right there. Okay, let's roll. Let's do the next one. Boy, we're going to have to find us a new timer, man.
I set it for a minute 20.
Oh, my goodness. So how far did we get? All right, go. How many did we do?
We were almost at a minute.
Huh?
I think we did I think we did over 40.
Okay, so, all right, so that was actually two reps right there.
All right.
So this would be our 3rd rep. All right, that's better. Okay, that's number 3. All right, number 4. And begin. And again, guys, breathe through it. And if you saw yesterday's video, you'll notice that I only did one exercise. It was supposed to be 2, and the camera didn't record the second half. We had some technical issues with the camera. So, but we did get it in, but we just didn't record it. So in Albuquerque. So okay, this is number 5. And begin. All right. Okay, number 5. Good job, guys. Good job. Okay, now we're going to roll to the hollow out with the rock. All right, so it's gonna be like this. All right. All right, so we got 5 repetitions of 20 seconds apiece.
Okay.
And begin. Remember, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. All right. Okay, that's 1. Begin. Here's 2. Keep them tight. Keep them tight. Keep them tight. All right. That's 2. All right. Number 3. And begin. Boy, this is definitely.
Wow, you're doing 2 different things.
No, I'm trying to rock. All right, that's number 3.
That's not what I'm doing.
Well, it doesn't matter as long as you're squeezing
Okay,
the transverse abdominis and the pelvic floor muscles, right? As long as you're squeezing them. All right, that's number what?
3 or 4.
I think it's number 4, 3. All right, it doesn't matter. We're gonna do. We'll call it 3. This is number 4. And begin. And begin. All right. Well, if we lose count, we just gotta take the lower half or the lower number. All right, that's number 4. Last one. Last one.
Okay.
And begin. All right. Great job. All right. Great job, fam. Great job for getting it in. We got it done. We won today. That's probably the best part, is that we won today, even after traveling all day from being in the snow in Albuquerque this morning. So if you got something out of it, hit me with a like down below. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button, do us a favor. And again, this is uncut, so you get what you get, and that's what happened yesterday. So if you didn't watch yesterday's, you'll see it. So with that, invest in yourself, invest in your health. We'll talk to you tomorrow.